Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and quite recently I have had to start wearing reading glasses, and thankfully I only need the ones from the dollar store right now, but you know what, they're kind of boring, aren't they? They're not kind of boring, they're incredibly boring, and this Refashionista doesn't do boring. So for day 17 of my 30 days of refashions, we are going to upstyle 2 pairs of my reading glasses using stuff we already have around the house. And of course there's no sewing, it's just a bit of glue and some bits and bobs from my stash. So I think, you know, you should join my Refashionista revolution because I got tons of tips, tricks, tutorials, and techniques in there to show you how to do this with your entire wardrobe. And best of all, you get me, virtually of course, one-on-one in person. For this fast and oh so fancy project, all you need are your dollar store readers, and I have a pair of these in like every single room in my house, and they are all fantastic, but they're all kind of boring. So we're gonna also grab a few things to liven them up, and here I have these very light plastic flowers and some sewing charms. Oh right, and your glue gun, of course. So because these tiny little sewing charms have a little loop here to put them on like a necklace or a bracelet, I have grabbed my pliers and I'm just going to snap it off. There we go. So then I don't have to have a little loop on top of my charms on my glasses. And I have everything laid out in the exact order I want to stick it on. So now I can grab my glue gun and get gluing. Could it be any easier? Like seriously. And for anyone who is thinking to themselves, oh, that's not gonna last, you know what? I made these using the same technique way back in 2013, and they have even survived an international mood, several summers of being worn since then, and I haven't done anything. I haven't had to re-glue anything, and even here, this is like nail polish that I painted these black frames with, and it still looks just as awesome as the day I made it over a decade ago. So truly, what I am showing you can stand the test of time. You can use these refashions and all of these things for years to come. And that's why you need to join my wardrobe revolution so we can do this for your whole closet, your drawers, and like every room in your house if you want to. Stick around because I have another awesome tutorial coming right at you tomorrow for my 30 days of refashions. And until then, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.